Good morning, guys, and welcome back. It is Friday morning. It's maybe the 2nd of December today. Yeah, 2nd of December, and today we're actually not going to trench at all. We have a bunch of other stuff we need to do today, and starting off with this bucket. I want to take the torch and finish up cutting off these attachments. I already made a start on it, but I ran out of liquid and the other stuff. So now I got new ones and I'm ready to cut. But first of all, I want to go and pick up the excavator. It's located 100 meters on the west side of the farm. So I want to change a AC hose, but then I need to have the excavator right here. So I already went out here when I drove my kid to the preschool and started it up, so it's better for the engines and all this stuff. And obviously it's cold, it's winter now, it's -2 degrees, it's frozen out, even though we had about a week with a little bit milder weather. It's still frozen in the ground, so that's what we want to do, want to have now to lighten up this soil and let some air through it, because it's pretty, let's say compacted and hard, not hard, but it's blocked on the topsoil, so the water doesn't run through our fields that well when we got, it's almost 2 years now with a lot of rain, so we really need some freeze to freeze up the ground. Okay, so I'll let the digger sit outside here until we get a little bit more daylight. But anyways, this is the AC hose I want to change. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to, where it's located, but hopefully I'll find out. Anyways, the AC doesn't work and it's run out of gas because that hose we're going to replace is broken. The main object for today is to cover up the pre-ordered fertilizer we received a few days ago. We want to stack them on pallets and cover them with some plastic covers or something to make sure that the wind and the snow and the winter doesn't tear up the actual bags. And then we'll have a big problem in the spring. It's 30 bags. And Cosmin is going to help me out. Hopefully we'll get them covered up today. If not, this video will be extended over the weekend. So let's go and torch up the rest of these old attachments. And if you don't know what this is, I already mentioned it a few videos back. It's a old bucket which I turned into a screening bucket. Screen out stones from some gravel we ordered a few years back. So this is an old bucket which came along when we bought this farm, and I did cut out the bottom or the back piece and replaced them with these pipes which I welded in at 7 centimeters between each. Alright, so I got the old attachments off, and it took a while, but they are off now, and as you can see, I got a little bit of grinding to do here to get rid of the rest of this. So I'm only going to test now and see how much work it actually is. I'm not going to grind off everything right now because I need to switch over to something else. Well, that took a while. It took me 15 minutes to get rid of this. So we're looking into well over an hour to get rid of all of these 6 points. Lucky me. But anyways, now I need to go over to the excavator and try and locate that AC hose somewhere and try and change it up with a new one. So to me it looks like it is this one. And I need to find out where it runs. Okay, so I located where it's going. It's going from here, and then it runs underneath the digger, taking off a few covers here, and runs through here and ends up on the radiator. Okay, so I got it back in place now. I need to tighten up a little bit and close up the covers, but it seems like it's the right one, and I'll call this problem solved. Okay, so we got the Valtra and the 5/16 back, and we have sent the 313 to the workshop at our dealer. Now Cosmin has showed up with the Valtra, and we will hook up the trailer and we'll load it with pallets, because we need to have pallets underneath the fertilizer bags so they don't freeze up or get damaged by any rain or snow. So here we have all the bags for next year, and the plan is to store them in front of this opening. So we're gonna move some bags here and stack some pallets on the ground, and then try to figure out what type of fertilizer we need first and last. Alright, so we got 30 fertilizer bags stacked up, sorted by type, and yeah, I won't go through all the different bags we have, but it's 4 different types at least. The only thing now is to cover them up, and I know I said earlier that I'm gonna film that the next week, but I redecided, and I'm now going to end this video. So I'm pretty sure you've seen covered up fertilizer bags before. So it's Friday night, and I'm going to go home and fire up some dinner and maybe crank up a beer and enjoy the weekend. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Remember to check out all of my other videos. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and remember to check out my